Hello YouTube Vintage Radio Restorers and Repairers. This is 1949-1950 Philco wedge. It kind of looks like that. I actually only have the chassis here because I bought it and it came back very dirty. Wherever it had been, some kind of barn or something, it luckily didn't have a mouse nest in it. Very dirty. But it was all loose dust that very easily blew off. Yeah. And then I started to look at it and I'm going, wait a minute, I've worked on this one before. And I actually looked it up. I have my records. I've been taking pictures of them since 2005. And this one I actually fixed in 2011. The reason I can tell is this is the output tube here. It has a replacement socket. It was riveted. Now it has screws. But yeah, other people could have done that. Tung saw tube, and I have a whole carton of them. I still have some of these left. And it had a tag on it, no sound. So I just took it apart and blew all the dust on it. I haven't even plugged it in yet. And the cord too as well. That's the kind of cord I was putting on them at that time. What's kind of cool about the speakers in really nice shape. That makes it worth fixing up again. Beautiful dial, it's metal. It has a radio phono switch and a plug on the back, which is a little bit non-standard. I'm just going to tip it back and see. Yeah, I looked inside of it and I'm like, I was doing things a little differently back then. I had less time. I was still working full time, so I had less time, so I was more focused. I would replace the parts to get them working. And I remember I had this box with thousands of ceramic capacitors. And so some of the original Philco wax ones I replaced with these ceramic ones. And then this one in here, which came from the KW surplus just down the street from me. Anyway, things have changed a little bit in restoration. If I had done this, then what I'm going to do to it is I'm going to get rid of all those old caps. They're pretty much useless. Also, some of the soldering, I don't recall leaving it like that, but somebody else may have been into it. I would have replaced quite a bit more stuff on spec. Just the idea that it's eventually going to need it. And like for instance resistors in the power circuit. And back in those days, if the filter cap was quiet, I left it in. I didn't replace it. Now I always replace it. So I'm going to plug it in and see if we get anything. Maybe I'll get some smoke out of it. Well, no dial lamp. I'm going to try this. Let's see if we get any filaments. The case, the Bakelite case, is one of those really thick ones, and it's in great shape. I don't see any filaments. One of these tubes, the string, it may be out. Wait a second. That just flickered. Must be a... Yeah, I think actually these are very hard to see because they have inside coating. Yeah, that actually the filaments did come on, but not right away. Could be the power switch. I don't hear anything. Put it on radio. Yeah, it's on radio. Bit of noise there. I'm just going to get something to use as an antenna. This has that Philco terminal board on the back for antenna. Hang on. Something there. actually, that's promising. The coil that was inside the case is a bit of a mess. I have to rebuild it. I can show you on a different video. We are getting some sound on this. That's like full volume, so something is a little bit weak somewhere. Sometimes the alignment's been touched. Wow. Installation by our professional team. We guarantee it. Well, that improved it quite a bit. The magic screwdriver's been at work in this one. That's just ridiculous. So, yeah, somebody was trying to tweak that because I wouldn't have sent it out like that. So anyway, I am going to be replacing some components and give it another try. What actually might improve it quite a bit is if this dial lamp is out, because the B plus will be low. Oh, that's seized. Come on. I risk getting a shard of glass in my hand here. Come on. Yeah, it's broken. I am going to have to take it out. I hate to do this. Okay, boys and girls, always make sure that that's out when you do this. There we go. A bit of corrosion in there. There's a 47 bulb. I'll bet you if I put one in there it will actually play louder as well. Because the 35Y4 is just like a 35W4 or 35Z5. That is between the center tap here and here, pin 5, that feeds the plate. So it should be in the circuit. Actually, let's put one in and just see what it does just for fun. So something important to know, it's got to be a number 47 bulb in these series string radios. Because I had one where somebody put in an LED replacement and there was a flash and a pop because it's not designed to handle that. Alright, let's try this now. Oh, there we go. It did get light there. That bulb was done. This LED lamp makes quite a difference having it on or off. Well, there we go. I'll do a little bit more work and do an update on it. Thanks for watching and listening.